Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. In today's video, now I am going to tell you about advertisement. Okay? In my last video, I taught you about the structure of informal reply, and I also taught you about an example which was related to informal reply for declining invitation. Now in today's video I am going to tell you about advertisement. First of all, I will tell you about what is the definition of advertisement. After that, I will tell you about some characteristics of an advertisement. Okay? After that, structure of an advertisement. Okay? Look at the board. First of all, what is the definition of an advertisement? An advertisement is a public announcement made through popular medium like newspaper, magazine, TV, radio and the cinema. Okay. An advertisement attracts immediate attention of the public. It is used to influence the minds, taste and even motives of the masses. It is also a play of words. It is a play of words. Okay. If really we want to get information of any product, then an advertisement can be a useful medium. Okay. Advertisement is a play of words. Okay. After that, how many kinds of advertisement? Types of an advertisement: classified advertisement, commercial or display. Okay. How many kinds of an advertisement? Advertisements are of two types: classified and commercial. Okay. What is the difference between classified advertisement and commercial advertisement? Okay. Classified advertisement are those advertisements we can get information of any product through a brief description. Okay. In commercial advertisement, we can get information of any product through a picture. Okay. I mean to say that in commercial advertisement, we can get information of any product through a picture. Whereas in classified advertisement, we can get information of any product through brief description. Okay. After that, characteristics of classified advertisement. These are some characteristics which are related to classified advertisement. The first characteristic is they are categorized into columns according to different classes. The category is stated at the top. Okay. After it, they are written in short form and to the point. Language simple, factual and formal. All relevant information is provided. When we will write content of an advertisement, then we should give all relevant information. Okay. After that, contact name and address is given. At the end of, they are written in box to attract attention. Okay. These are some characteristics which are related to classified advertisement. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about what is the structure of classified advertisement. Okay. To understand these points in a better way, you can take a screenshot of it. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about what is the structure of classified advertisement. Structure of classified advertisement. First of all, we should mention word advertisement in capital. Advertisement in capital with black pen. Okay, after that we should leave two line between word advertisement and title. We should mention title according to the category of classified advertisement in capital with black pen. After that we should leave one line between title and content. Content should not be more than 50 words, but you should remember one thing, that content should not be more than 50 words. After that you should make a box. Okay. Structure of classified advertisement. First of all, you should mention word advertisement in capital with black pen. After that you should leave two line between advertisement and title. You should write title according to the category of classified advertisement. After that you should write content. Your content should not be more than 50 words. Okay. Your content should give all relevant information. Okay. Language must be factual and formal. Okay. At the end of the content you should make a box. Okay. This is the structure of classified advertisement. In today's video we have discussed about the definition of an advertisement. You know very well that if really we want to get information of any product, okay, through radio, TV, news channels, that is called an advertisement. It is also influence the mind and taste of the people. It is a play of words. Okay. After that I told you about how many kinds of an advertisement. You know very well that advertisements are of two types, classified and commercial. Classified advertisement are those advertisement we can get information of any product through brief description, whereas commercial advertisement are those advertisement we can get information of any product through a picture, that is called commercial advertisement. After that I told you about some major characteristics regarding classified advertisement, like first of all we should mention name of category at the top of the page. Okay. After that we should write content. We should write content in formal language, in factual way. After that we should give all relevant information when we will write content. At the end of content we should mention contact address. After just completion of content we should make a box. Okay. These are some major points. Okay. After that I told you about the structure of classified advertisement. First of all you should mention word advertisement in capital with black pen. After that you should leave two line between advertisement and title. You always try to mention title according to the category of classified advertisement. After that you should leave one line between title and content. Your content should not be more than 50 words. After just completion of content you should make a box. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.